Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to quickly demonstrate a few features from PGIS, Power Grid Information System, which was built at the Chair of Applications and Middleware Systems from TU Munich. So once you visit the URL, you could already see some power elements in the region that you're on. For example, these markers could probably are some power elements like substations. You could click on a marker and then see more details about this marker. So for example, this is a power station with a website URL and an OSM ID that will take you to the OpenStreetMaps. You could also see the power lines on this region. For example, if you zoom out a bit, you see these power lines. You could click on one of those and see the details of this power line, like how many cables are going through it, what is the name of it, operator, voltage, etc. And if you'd like to see more relations, you go onto the right side control and then select the relations layer. You see different relations with different colors based on the number of lines and the voltage, etc. If you click on a relation, you would see details of this relation, like the tags, the name, and the different power lines that this relation carries. So once you have these relations, it obviously makes sense to be able to export and import these into different applications so that you can run more analysis on these. For that, you could select a relation again and then choose mark it to be exported. You could select multiple relations to be exported so that you can choose those that are of your interest. Once you have them, you select export option and then it downloads a file onto your machine, which is an XML with OSM format. And you could import these into any of the GIS applications. For example, I'm going to use QGIS, which is one of the popular ones. Firstly, we're going to pull up a OpenStreetMap so that we could see these relations on the map. So once we have the map, we probably would want to zoom into Germany because these relations are from Germany, and also to Munich. There. Alright, so once we have this map ready, we would go into the vector menu and select OpenStreetMaps and import topology from XML because XML is the format that we have. This is going to import the XML into a Spatialite database, which is the database that QGIS is able to read. So once we import the file, we need to export this database that is in the Spatialite format onto this map. So we go to export topology to Spatialite DB and choose the file that we just created. That will be relations XML SMDB. Right. And we choose we want to import the power lines, so we load them from the database and select all of these power lines to be exported onto the map. We could also do points, but right now I assume that we don't have any points in the relation, so we don't see any points. Right, so we should be able to see the power lines here, but I guess these are too thin to see, so let's go and change the properties so that it's easier to see them. So right, so now we see the power lines, those that we exported from the PGIS platform. So that would be it. If you have any feedback or any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.